guys, Girly Morrison here, your homegirl with United Real Estate Preferred. Just wanted to do a quick video because I know some of you have been eyeing on this corner lot home. It's a brick home, isn't it gorgeous? And I want to invite you all to our open house this Saturday, February 25th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. This gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single family home is nicely situated on a spacious corner lot and no HOA community. And the seller has recently made some upgrades in the house, and that's including it has a brand new roof, updated kitchen with granite countertops, new cabinets, updated bathrooms, new privacy fence. And guess what, you guys? We've just recently made a price reduction to this home. You can get this home now for just $339,000. So mark your calendars and join us this Saturday for a tour of your property. You don't want to miss this out. Thank you, and I'll see you there.